In addition to watching movies while you're charging your car and while the phone is parked, you can also play movies and video content while you're driving for your passengers. You can definitely do that. What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Sonic. Today we have here a Model 3 and we're going to be installing again our phone mirroring kit. It's all plug and play, and the difference between today's car is the newer AMD Ryzen system, whereas the older one was the Intel Atom system. So it's very similar to the install. You don't have to remove the glove box or anything. We just need to pull down the under panel and then remove the kick panel on the passenger side. That's where the connectors are. It's going to be all plug and play. And the connector location is going to be a little bit different, so I'm going to show you where those are. Other than that, everything else is going to be exactly the same. So let's stop talking, let's go in the car, and let me show you how to install it. Alright guys, so now that we're here in the car, let's get started. So first we want to go down here. You're going to have to place your head down here and look up. You're going to find some clips down here you're going to remove. So got 1, 2, 3, and there's another one up here. 4. So let's go ahead and remove those clips. Just get something. You can get a flathead screwdriver, but if you do use a flathead screwdriver, just be careful you don't break the clips. Or you could use like one of these will work. Okay, just pull it down a little bit, and then once you could grab it with your fingers, go ahead and just pull it out. So here's our 4 little clips, and let's pull these pieces down, and the back part of the clips will fall off with it. Okay, once this is out, let's unplug these 2 connectors. Okay, just press down on the release tab and pull out. Very easy. Don't pull on the cable because you could rip it out, so just be very careful when you're dealing with this. Since it's a newer Model 3, we're going to use a Ryzen connector. It's the one with 2 connectors like this. Go ahead and remove this side seal here. Okay. You could either put your hand here and pull it off, or you can use a panel removal tool as well. Okay. All right, there's a clip here that we're going to remove. Alright, let's go ahead and place this aside. Alright guys, so we went ahead and show you how to get behind the glove box like this. You don't really need to take out the glove box, but you do need to remove this side panel piece here, and then this kick panel, and you do have to remove the under tray. So no need to remove the airbag or the glove box. Alright, so for your Ryzen, one of the connectors is going to be here. The female side is going to stay disconnected or open like this. Because the factory connector is open. So just gonna connect here, keep the female side open. We're gonna grab this. This one's a little bit hidden. So if you look down here, there's this connector here on the bottom. So let's first remove it. Press down on the release tab and just remove it. Okay, like so. And then behind it, there's a blue connector. That is the one we need to remove. We're gonna daisy chain it to this, okay? And that is going to provide power to our module. Push down on the release tab and then just remove it like this. Okay, so once you have this removed, go ahead and just daisy chain it like so. And you're going to connect it. Connect this one and then reconnect the connector in front of it. All right. Got that in. We're going to connect this factory one back. The factory connector that's in front of the blue one. All right. So once we have that connected, all we have left is this. We are going to connect this to this power and CAN connector like so. And then we are going to get our LVDS cables. Just go under here. Go ahead and grab this LVDS cable here to the left. Okay. Just press on the release tab and then pull it out. All right, so now we're ready to connect the LVDS cables. So we are going to connect the OEM out to this cable here that has male on both ends, like so. And let's connect the other side to the AP computer. Okay, and we are going to connect the other LVDS cable, that is male on one side, female on the other side, to OEM in. And then we are going to connect this female to this side. All right, there it is. Okay, so we're finished connecting all the cables between the car and this interface. And what we are left now is to connect the button and also the infrared device for remote control. So for the button, we are going to connect it here for the mode. And then the IR cable, we will connect it here. All right, so this is how you connect it. And after you have all this connected, you can use some double-sided tape and mount it up here. Organize the wires and you are done. If you like, you can also insulate this power cable here. You could also use this to power your dash cam if you like, accessories. And you can route these two wires and cables around this center area where it is more easily accessible. After you plug everything in, you will connect here HDMI, whatever thing you want to plug in here, you can plug it in. That is what will display onto the car screen. And you can do full screen, and you can do a split screen PIP mode. And if you want to see how this works, you can check out our other video. We'll leave a link. Click on it and it'll show you exactly how everything works very thoroughly. In addition to watching movies while you're charging your car and while the phone is parked, you can also play movies and video content while you're driving for your passengers. You can definitely do that. So now that is a possibility. All right, guys, well, that concludes our installation on this Model 3. It's also exactly the same for the Model Y for all your Ryzen, AMD models. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. You can also email us at info@beatsonicusa.com. And this product is available to purchase at beatsonicusa.com as we speak. And once again, guys, if you haven't, help us by liking and subscribing to our channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video.